Ready to turn practice into progress? Let's play this song together. If you haven't learned this yet, check out the step-by-step tutorial video link right here. And now, let's get playing. We're gonna put everything that we have learned into practice. The first chord, C chord with the pattern. Bow, right, right, right. C. And G. And D. E minor. Back to the same sequence and C. Go to G. Go to D. E minor. Same sequence C. Bow, right, right, right. Bow, right, right, right. Bow, right, right, right. E minor. Back to C. Bow, right, right, right. G, right, right, right. Bow, right, right. E minor. We're gonna hold C chord. Hold 2, 3 G. Hold 2, 3 D. 2, 3. Hold E minor. Pattern coming up. Bow, right, left, right, right. Bow, right, left, right, right. Bow, right, left, right, right. Bow, right, left. New pattern. Bow, right, left, bow, right, left D. Right, left, bow, right, left G. D O F sharp. E minor. Again and C. Right, left, bow, right, left D. Right, left, bow, right, left G. D O F sharp. E minor. C again. Bow, right, left, 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 bow, right, left C. Go to D. Go to G. D or F sharp. E minor. We're gonna hold on E minor. Hold 2, 3. And D. D. Go down to C. Free timing. E minor. D. 3, 4. D. 2, 3, 4. C. 2. E minor now. Going down to D. B minor. Go to C. Back to E minor again. B minor. Hold on C. Hold on D. Chorus. Bow, right, left, bow, right, left, bow, right, left, bow, right, left G. D over F sharp and E minor. Again. Bow, right, left, bow, right, left D. And G. D over F sharp. E minor. Same sequence. Bow, right, left, bow, right, left, bow, right, left, bow, right, left G. D over F sharp and E minor. Again. C. Go to D. Go to G. D over F sharp. E minor. Outro. Bow, right, left, bow, right, left, bow, right, left, bow, right, left G. D over F sharp. E minor. Again. C. Go to D. Last line. G. D over F sharp. E minor. And hold. Well done for the song Golden. Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.